A printer showing offline doesn't always mean it is broken. In most cases, the problem is a connection drop, driver issue, or wrong system setting inside Microsoft Windows. The goal is to restore communication between your computer and printer, not replace hardware. 1. Check basic power and connection. Start simple. Make sure printer is on, check power cable, verify USB or Wi-Fi connection. For wireless printers, confirm they are connected to the same network. A weak or disconnected link often triggers offline status. 2. Restart printer, router, and PC power cycle everything. Turn off printer, restart Wi-Fi, router, restart computer. This resets network communication and clears temporary glitches. Most offline issues are fixed here. 3. Set printer as default. Windows sometimes switches printers automatically. Go to Settings, Devices, Printers. Select your printer and set it as default. If Windows sends jobs to another device, printing appears offline. 4. Clear print queue. A stuck print job can block everything. Open print queue and cancel all pending documents. Restart print spooler. A frozen queue often causes offline status. 5. Disable Use Printer Offline Mode. Sometimes Windows manually switches printer to offline mode. Go to Printer Settings and ensure Use Printer Offline is not selected. This is a very common hidden cause. 6. Reinstall printer driver. Driver corruption can break communication. Go to Device Manager, Printers, then uninstall printer restart. PC reinstall driver. This refreshes connection settings. 7. For Wi-Fi printers, check network stability. Wireless printers depend heavily on network quality. Check same Wi-Fi network on PC and printer router signal strength IP address changes. If network changes, printer may appear offline. 8. Use Windows Troubleshooter. Windows can automatically detect issues. Go to Settings, Troubleshoot Printer. It fixes common problems like driver mismatch, spooler errors, connectivity issues, strategic insight. Printer offline problems usually come from 4 causes: network disconnection, print queue blockage, driver issues, incorrect settings. Most users assume hardware failure, but in reality, communication breakdown is the real issue. Final conclusion. Before replacing your printer, start with restart devices, clear queue, check connection, reinstall driver.